In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send ClickUp tasks to Google Sheets with Zapier. First, head to Zapier and open the ClickUp to Google Sheets integration page. Log into your Zapier account or create a new one if you're just getting started. Once you're in the editor, make sure the trigger app is set to ClickUp. You'll be prompted to select a trigger event. This is what tells Zapier when to run. Pick the option that best matches your needs, for example when a task is created or updated. Now make sure your ClickUp account is connected and logged in so Zapier can pull your data securely. Click Continue to move forward. Next, choose the ClickUp workspace you want to use, followed by the specific space, folder, and list that hold the tasks you care about. If you want subtasks and thread replies to be included, turn those options on. If not, you can leave them off to keep your data tidy. You can also choose which users to include, such as tasks assigned to specific teammates. If you want the most complete record, select the option to fetch all task data. This can be helpful if you plan to analyze fields like status, due dates, or assignees later. Click Continue when you're finished with these choices. Now set up the action side. Make sure the action app is Google Sheets. Then select your action event, the thing you want Sheets to do when the trigger fires. Common options include adding a new row or updating an existing one. Connect and log into your Google account, then click Continue. Choose the correct drive where your file lives, then select the spreadsheet and worksheet you want to update. Configure your sheet layout details. Set the number of frozen rows and columns if you use headers or side labels, and adjust the sheet position if you're organizing multiple tabs. These settings help keep your data readable and consistent as new information comes in. Click Continue once everything looks right. When your setup is complete, publish your Zap to turn it on. Publishing activates the automation so future ClickUp activity flows into your Google Sheet exactly as configured. That's it, done. With this in place, your ClickUp tasks will automatically update your spreadsheet, saving you time and keeping your team's data in one place. If you ever need to refine what comes through, you can revisit the same screens to adjust your workspace, lists, included subtasks and replies, user selections, and sheet layout. Thanks for watching and enjoy your streamlined workflow.